Mastering English adverbs in just 59 seconds. Welcome to our quick guide on using English adverbs, the words that change or describe how actions are performed. Adverbs often end in ly, making them easy to spot. Slowly, quickly, and carefully are perfect examples of this. Place adverbs close to the verb they modify. For instance, she sings beautifully shows beautifully modifying sings. Adverbs can modify adjectives too. In incredibly fast, incredibly describes just how fast something is. Remember, not all adverbs end in ly. Words like very, quite, and almost are adverbs that enhance meaning. Frequency adverbs, like always, often, and never, tell us how often something happens. They usually precede the main verb. Practice makes perfect. Start by identifying adverbs in sentences and using them in your daily conversations or writing tasks.